Hi, my name is Joe Baer Jr. with First Integrity Mortgage.
Earlier this morning, I was meeting with the owner of a real estate company, and we were just talking about what's going on in the market. And it's funny because he asked me what some of the challenges are that we see. And I said, today, right now, I think the market has changed a little bit. And people are confused both on the seller and the buyer side. And the reason, and he jumped on it immediately because that's where he was going, is it used to be a seller's market for so long. We were a good year or two where it was a seller's market. The sellers were getting above asking price all the time. And that's great. But the market shifted a little. And there's the opposite where it can be a buyer's market. And, the buyers are being able to come in and shoot underneath the asking price significantly, and they're getting it and they're making all sorts of demands they're getting. But there's a balanced market as well. And that's what we're in right now. And the balanced market is a really fluid market. It might inch back and forth to the seller or to the buyer one way or the other, but it truly is balanced right now. And that's where you're seeing there's almost confusion in the marketplace because sometimes the sellers think that they've got the upper hand. Sometimes the buyers think they have the upper hand. But the reality is, in most situations, the average across the board, it truly is that balanced market. So when people are going out and negotiating inspections or sales price, it really is more of a true negotiation because there's not a strong dominant hand for the seller, or on the flip side, a strong dominant hand for the buyer either. And so it's a little bit of a culture shock right now because we haven't had a true balanced market in so long. So when you're out looking to buy a property right now, just be aware of that there's no strong dominant hand one way or the other. Sure, there's great deals out there. You can find that, but you're not going to go in there and just hammer and get the best deal of a lifetime. You're going to get a great deal, and real estate's still improving, and the cost to buy a house still far outweighs the cost to rent. So it's a great idea no matter what right now. But remember that you're in it together. You both want to come out, and it should be a win-win for both of you because that's what we're in right now. We're in a real estate balanced market. So if you have any questions about buying a house or any products, conventional loans, FHA loans, or First Integrity's PowerPlus, please contact us today at the number below. Look forward to hearing from you.